Very good morning, students. We are revising chapter 4 Alternative Center of Power. Today we have already completed European Union, process of formation of European Union, right? European Union had economic, political, diplomatic, and military influences, right? And uh, objective of European Unions, right? Belgium, Germany, France, Italy, Luxembourg, and Netherlands. 6 new members, founded member of European Unions. Purpose of European to promote peace and security. We have completed ASEAN's, right? Bangkok, 1977. Members, 5 original members and new members, Vietnam, Laos, Myanmar, right? We have completed objective of ASEAN's. We have completed so 4 pillar of Asian community, political, economic, and socio-cultural community, right? ARF, Asian Regional Forum. We have completed Vision 2020, rise of China, China economy, types, the rise of Chinese economy, right? We have completed so far India and China relations. We have completed so far, right? So today we are going to do one more questions, right? The first question is, why was ASEAN established, right? The answer is, ASEAN was established to accelerate economic growth and through that social progress and cultural development of the region. Got it? Okay. Second question is, what does the logo on Asian flag symbolize? Here is AG written, but flag, FLAG, flag symbolize. On Asian logo, the 10 stalk of paddy represent the 10 Southeast Asian country, right? Bound together in friendship and solidarity. The circle symbolizes the unity of Asians, right? Now the question third. Under which plan did the USA extend financial support for reviving Europe's economy after the Second World War? The US extended massive financial support reviving Europe's economy under the plan named Marshall Plan. Right? Come to the question number 4. Name any 2 members of European Union who are permanent member of the UN Security Council. The 2 member states of European Union who are permanent members of the UN Security Council are Britain and France. Trace the evolutions process of European Union, right? The European Union has gradually evolved from an economic union to political union. It became more a nation state. It does not have constitutions, right? Question number 6. What does the objective of founding the European Union? The general objective of the founding the European Union were to have an area of freedom, security, and justice without internal frontiers, promotion of scientific and technological advance, right? Question number 7. What is meant by Asian way? Asian way, it is a kind of interaction which is formal, unofficial, non-confrontationist, and cooperative, right? What kind of the Asian way? Informal, unofficial, non-confrontationist, and cooperative, right? What is meant by the Maastricht Treaty? Many times I revise it, the Maastricht Treaty, the Treaty of Maastricht was signed on 7 February 1992, establishing the European Union and laid the foundation for common foreign and security policy, cooperation and justice, home affairs, and the creation of single currency. Right? Now come to the question number 9. In 1992, which regional organization was formed? The regional organization formed in 1992 was an European Union. Got it? What do ASEAN and FTA stand for? ASEAN stand for Association of Southeast Asian Nation and FTA stand for Free Trade Area. Now the question number 11. Mention the full form of our CTBT and ASEAN. Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty and Association of Southeast Asians. Now come to the point of the question number 1. 2 mark questions. What kind of 2 mark questions? State any 2 features of the European Union that make it an influential organization. The 2 features of the European Union that make it influential organization are: number 1, European Union has evolved over time from an economic union to political union. It has its own flag, anthem, founding date and currency, right? European Union's share of the world trade is 3 times larger than that of US, right? Means 3 times larger than US in free trade, world trade. Why? Now come to the second questions. When was the ASEAN Regional Forum established and what were its main objectives? Right? The ASEAN Regional Forum was established in 1994. The main objective of ASEAN were accelerate economic growth through the social progress and cultural development. Second, to promote regional peace and stability based on the rule of law and principle of United Nations Charter. Question number 3. In the European Union flag, what does symbol of 12 gold star in a circle signify, or what does the circle with golden star on European Union stand? The circle stands for solidarity and peace among the people of Europe. It contains 12 stars which symbolize perfection, completeness and unity. What? Perfection, completeness and unity. Now question 4. Explain India's improving relationship with China. After the end of the Cold War, significant change have been seen in relationship between India and China. Rajiv Gandhi visited in December 1998. Then both government have taken measures to contain conflict and maintain peace and tranquilities on the borders. MBL used in generic research, immune oncology, virus infection and transplantation research. Cultural exchange and cooperation agreement are signed by the both. Increased transportation and communication established more sound relationship. So what is the meaning of Panchsheel, or what does Panchsheel implies? The 5 principles of peaceful coexistence are known as Panchsheel. Means the 5 principles of coexistence are known as Panchsheel, which form the bedrock of Indo-China relations. Their first formal codification in treaty took place in 1954 when an agreement between India and China was signed. Panchsheel act as guiding principle of Indo-China relations. Good. Now the question number 6. Mention any 2 steps taken by China to improve its economy. The 2 steps taken by China to improve its economy. First are Deng Xiaoping in 1917 announced open door policy. Deng Xiaoping's 1917-1978 open door policy. This aimed at the generation of high productivity by investment of capital and technology from abroad. Second, privatization of agriculture and privatization of industry was done. Right? Now the question number 6, what led to the formation of European Union? The European Union was formed after end of Cold War. After the disintegration of USSR, the European Union was formed to consolidate the process of reviving the shattered economy of European country and to get massive US financial help under the Marshall Plan. Right? Now come to the question number 8. What does the Marshall Plan and how did it pave the way for formation of Organization of European Economic Cooperations? The Marshall Plan was a plan under Mr. George C. Marshall, U.S. Secretary. America extended huge financial help for reviving Europe's economy. New collective security state was created under NATO. Under the Marshall Plan, OEEC was created in 1948 to help West European states. It acted as a platform where the West European states began to cooperate on trade and economic issues. When was the European Union established? Mention any two kinds of influences. Influence that were exercised by European Union. Right? The European Union was established on 7th February 1992 after the signing the Treaty of Maastricht. Right? Influence that were exercised by European Union. Economic influences, political and diplomatic influences. Right? We have completed so far. One more question, 4 mark. Just go to this one. Describe Indo-China relation from 1947 to 62 or evaluate the causes of strained relationship between India and China. The India-China relations examined are as below. Friendly relations after the Chinese Revolution in 1949. India was one of the first countries to recognize the communist government. Prime Minister Nehru and Chinese Prime Minister Zhou Enlai adopted Panchsheel and the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence on 29 April 1954. The Chinese invasion and strained relationship. China annexed Tibet in 1950, thus removed a historical buffer between the two countries. Tibetan spiritual leader Dalai Lama has sought asylum in India. In 1959, China alleged that India was allowing anti-China activities in India. Boundary disputes arose between the two countries over Aksai Chin area and Ladakh region and Nepal northeast frontier area in eastern region. The boundary disputes led to massive Chinese invasion in October 1969. Finally, China declared a unilateral ceasefire, but relation between the two countries remained strained. Right? Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.